Kevin with Lands of Exploration, and today I'm in Nyland, California. It's on the east side of the Salton Sea. So we're on a 5-acre property we recently acquired, and sometimes I go through and I like to build what I call a cinder block fire pit. So today we've got good 10 cinder blocks we picked up, and we're just going to cut halfway into the ground, maybe 8 or so inches, a 3-foot square, and then we're going to place the cinder blocks in an outline so it's dug in a little bit. Okay, so we have our hole dug. Now we're just going to lay them in and then fill in the dirt around. Alright, we're going to clean up the outside, make it look pretty. Home Depot cinder blocks, 6x8 by 16, $2 each. So $20 in materials, about 20 minutes of digging, and you got a built-in fire pit.